Hey, what's up guys? My name is AJ and today we're looking to set up the PS5 stand in case you don't have it already. Here's the actual stand. Here's the PS5 right here. You flip the stand over and you will, I guess, kind of unscrew this part right here. You have the screw and you have this black dot right here. And just put these to the side. So you could actually have it stand laying down or horizontally, or you could have it standing up vertically. So let's put this up vertically, standing up. I think this is how I have it currently. I think the easiest way to do it is kind of flip it over. You'll want to screw in this hole right here. So basically, this is the front. Kind of slide it all the way right there and screw this in to the hole. All right, and there you have it. So that's standing up. Then if you want it to stand down or laying horizontally, you'll unscrew this. Put that to the side. Twist this like that. And I believe that you have these little Ps5 button grooves, like the X, the O's, the squares. You'll line this up with the square. So it's like that. And basically, there you have it. You got these extra parts right here. You'll put this black dot right there, cover that up. And then you can actually place a screw in there. And then it will twist up like that. And then you'll just line these up again. And there you got it. That's how you do it. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe. I appreciate it.